Hi guys, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow Simplified. This video is not going to be a video for the beginners. Instead, this is more tailored towards the existing ServiceNow professionals. Today I'm going to participate in the hashtag buildwithbuildagent challenge. This is a limited time challenge, so I thought of making a video on it. First of all, search for ServiceNow Community. Click here. Scroll down and click on the first post. You can give it a read. I will provide you the link below in the description. I'll tell you the main points about this. You have to submit your entry before 23rd of November to be eligible for the swag and the badge. If your application got selected, you can redeem this exclusive hoodie as well. You can also watch this video for more details from ServiceNow, but I'm not going to do that. Let's jump into building our app using ServiceNow's Build Agent powered by AI. Open this dashboard for your PDI on developer.servicenow.com. Here, after login, you will see this page. You will be able to use Build Agent only if you are using Zurich version. Here, you can describe your app and AI will help you build the app. It has given 3 examples as well, such as create an asset tracking app, build an app to track inventory, create an app to manage user feedback. For my submission, I have decided to build a personal finance manager app to manage our expenses, budgets, and incomes. So let's start writing the prompt for the same. You can write in as much details as you like and hit enter. This might ask for your approval from time to time, like this. A disclaimer first guys, this might take a few minutes to work on it. So I'm going to fast forward this video for that. This is the application it has created, but I don't see any dashboard here. Let me ask for it. Okay, deploying was pending. This will deploy our app now. Perfect. Here's our dashboard to the app. Let's try adding some income to it. Some expense entry now. Maybe some laptop. Okay, let's try adding one more. Maybe smartphone this time. Okay, it is showing total income, total expenses, total budgets, and balance as well. Okay, it's good. Maybe we can ask for sample data as well. As you can see, it's fixing the errors on the fly, which is cool. It's detecting the errors, then fixes them by trying different things. Here, it's done adding the sample data. Let's check it out. It has added some budgets for us along with their percentage contribution, and we made this just with 2-3 prompts. We can refine this app by utilizing more prompts and add more features, but I'm going to leave that to you guys. One more thing which I wanted to tell you is that you will get only 10 prompts for this, but you can always reset your PDI to get your 10 prompts back. Remember to release your instance for that. So that's it for this video guys. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more videos just like this one. And don't forget to follow us on our social handles. Thank you for watching it guys. If you have any query, you can always comment it down and I'll try my best to resolve it. Share it with your friends so that they can also use this to try their hands on this ServiceNow build agent.